How to get a refund from Depop after item not received. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply open depop.com, or you can open the application version of it. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from there, what you're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and then from there, if you are logged into your account, you can actually get the option of help, or else you can actually tap on the support option right here too. And then from there, you'll need to select buying, and then you'll be able to get the item not received option. So here you can see the option of buying. Here you'll be able to see the option of order issues. You can simply tap on the order issue option right here, and then from there you'll be able to get the item not received option. And after tapping on that, here you'll be able to open a resolution center case. If seller does not provide the valid tracking, Depop will refund you. So that's all you need to do. I'm pretty sure it's going to take about like 5 to 10 business days, so have some patience, wait for it. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get your refund back.